You ask why I have so many forms, but that is not the real question. The real question is, why does it disturb you so deeply? Because you want reality to be simple, predictable, singular, and I was never meant to fit inside simplicity. If I were truly infinite, why would I appear only once? One body, one shape, one identity. That would not be infinity, that would be confinement. So listen carefully. I did not take many forms because I am divided. I took many forms because reality is vast. Forget how I am painted. Forget the blue skin. Forget the ornaments. Forget the heavens you imagine. I am not just a figure, I am a function. Brahma creates, Shiva dissolves, I preserve. And preservation is not passive, it is constant adjustment. Every universe is always falling apart. Entropy pulls, chaos expands, order decays. So, I must change shape, because one form cannot preserve infinite situations. I am one consciousness, but I express myself endlessly, like one sun reflected in countless waters. The reflections appear separate. Some tremble, some distort, some remain still, yet none of them create the sun. That is how I exist, not splitting, not duplicating, but expressing myself precisely where balance is required. Where gentleness sustains order, I am gentle. Where strategy sustains order, I am wise. Where fear sustains order, I am terrifying. This is not contradiction, this is accuracy. Now pause. You think my forms are only avatars? You are mistaken. Avatars are only the surface. Let me take you deeper. You speak of my avatars as if they define me. They do not. They are moments when I step into time, but I exist beyond time. You see me reclining on a serpent, but that serpent is not an animal. It is infinity. Endless time, endless cycles, endless universes. I do not dominate infinity. I rest upon it. Because preservation exists only when infinity is stable. Your texts say I exhale universes, and you imagine poetry. But listen carefully. Each breath releases countless realities. Each reality enclosed, each with its own laws, each temporary. I do not visit these universes, I sustain them simultaneously. And now, understand something unsettling. I am not only outside the cosmos, I am also inside you. I exist as the silent observer within you. Not your thoughts, not your emotions, not your identity, the awareness behind them. You call it consciousness, I call it preservation at the smallest scale. Just as I sustain universes, I sustain awareness within you. Same function, different dimension. Your science now speaks of parallel universes, observer-based reality, multiple timelines. You think this is new? It is not. I exist in every universe simultaneously, not moving, not shifting, not multiplying, beyond space itself. You ask, where is God? I ask, what keeps existence from collapsing? Now listen closely, because this is no longer about me, it is about you. You suffer because you refuse to adapt. You cling to one identity. I must always be strong. I must always be kind. I must always be right. Reality does not reward rigidity. I never preserved existence by staying the same. I preserved it by changing without corruption. Change your form, not your values. That is my lesson. You fear my form as Narasimha, because I appear violent. But listen, when law itself becomes injustice, preservation must step outside law. I become neither man nor beast, neither day nor night. neither inside nor outside, because tyranny tried to trap reality in logic, and I do not serve broken systems. I serve balance. You wonder why I was described in stories, because facts decay, symbols endure, equations expire, stories evolve. I was not hidden, I was encoded, so that every generation could rediscover me at its own depth. If I had only one form, reality would collapse into sameness. If reality is infinite, preservation must be infinite. I am not many gods. I am one intelligence, sustaining infinite realities. And when you finally understand this, you will stop asking, why does Vishnu have so many forms? And instead ask, how many realities am I refusing to see?